1,000 watts as a homeowner. So this is over 4 times the world average and twice the consumption of the European countries. The United States is really a bad actor when it comes to particularly, I would say, the CO2 problem, but in general, we consume more than our share of energy. Our strong dependence on oil makes the U.S. vulnerable to strong fluctuations in petroleum prices as the world begins to run out of petroleum. And yet, the United States has done literally nothing about this. We must start now to apply science in developing synthetic liquid energy sources, and hopefully not ones that compete with resources used to grow our food supply. And then down here in red, which is kind of hard to read, we must create sustainable energy sources not dependent on fossil fuels and that do not pollute our land, our air, or deplete other resources. And I don't know when that's all going to happen. This is, shows Greenland, and the bottom line is that in 2002, the Greenland ice cap had melted back considerably from where it had been in, boy, I can't read that.
1992.
1992. It's nice being in the audience. So now I'm really going to switch a lot, talking about how advances in science are made and what they do. So this is James Dewar. He's one of my favorite people because as a low temperature physicist, I use James Dewar's flask, the Dewar flask for holding my liquid nitrogen and my liquid helium. But Dewar, by the way, was Scottish. That's not terribly relevant until we get to the next slide. And so these are the years that he lived. But Dewar was in a competition with this man here, Heikki Camerlionis, who was a Dutchman. And these two, I dare say, were vying for whoever could do make devices that would be most useful. And I suppose that